How to insert check mark in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to do so. So let's get started. For that, we can start by opening up Excel, for example, this document right here. After that, we can click on the cell. Once we've done that, we can go to the insert option in the top and go to the option called symbol. So look out for symbol option here and go ahead and click on it. After that, here we have this option symbol, click on it. Now here we can choose different font. We have this option, we can drop it down and we can use another font. For example, Bindings or anything, something like this. Once we've done that, we can select the option symbol sign here. Here we can look out for different options and go ahead and select the option of check mark if that option is available. This is one and click on insert, and that way the symbol will be added to our screen. Apart from that, we can use keyboard shortcut as well. So go ahead and type in ALT plus 0250. So I need to type in ALT plus 0250, and when you do, it will give a symbol. It may work in some systems, but not on all. Apart from that, you can copy and paste the right symbol directly and paste it on your Excel cell. That is also possible. Or use conditional formatting. So select cells, go to home, look out for conditional formatting here, and here look out for the option called icon sets, this one right here, and there you can look out for this check mark option and go ahead and click on it and hit enter, and it should automatically show based on what value that you've entered. And that's it. Apart from that, go to the developer tab. In the top, look out for insert and click on check mark option here. That way also you should be able to add the checkbox on your Excel sheet. So that's it everybody. You can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.